Hello children, hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, bless us in our online class today. Help us to grow in love and kindness, more like you every day. Amen. Okay children, today we are going to continue with unit 1, that is geometry. So today we are going to recall what all we studied in the last class. Okay, so what we studied about perimeter and area in our last class. So in perimeter we studied two formulas, that is perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square. So the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So you will multiply length and breadth with 2 and you will add both the values. Okay, then perimeter of square, what is the formula for perimeter of square? 4 into length of side, 4 into length of side. So why? Because square is having 4 sides, so we are going to multiply 4 into length of one side. Okay, then we studied about area. Okay, so area of rectangle, formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth, length into breadth. Area of square is side into side. Okay, so for perimeter we will calculate the boundaries. Okay, and for area we will find the inside part. Okay, so this is the difference between perimeter and area. Okay, now we shall see some sums from book exercise, few sums from book exercise. Okay, so the first sum is, the question of the first sum is, please see the question. If the length of a rectangle is 14 meter and its breadth is 10 meter, what is its perimeter? So they have asked to find the perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle, and they have given the length and breadth, values they have given. They have asked us to find the perimeter. So how will you calculate the perimeter of a rectangle? Using the formula. Okay, so first this is a rectangle, right? This is a rectangle and the length is 14 meter. The length is 14 meter and the breadth is 10 meter. Okay, so you know that for a rectangle opposite sides are equal. So if this side is 14 meter, this side also will be 14 meter. If this side is 10 meter, this side is also 10 meter. So for perimeter opposite sides are equal. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Okay, so this is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so now we are going to multiply 2 into, what is the value for length? It is 14 meter. 2 into 14 plus 2 into 10. Okay, so what is 2 into 14? What is 2 14s are? It is 2 into 14. We will multiply and see. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. So 14 2s are, it is 28. Okay, and it next 2 10s are, it is 20. So if you add 28 plus 20, what you will get? 8, 2 plus 2 4. So the answer is 48. So the values are in meters, so you will get meter in the answer. So this is the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. Okay, now we shall move on to the next sum. Okay, so this is the next sum. If we take 2 rounds of a field, that is 340 meter long and 160 meter wide. So whenever they give long and wide, it is always known it is a rectangle. Okay, so find the distance covered in kilometer. So first we'll understand the question. Okay, so this is a rectangle. Okay, so the field is long means length. It is 340 meter long, 340 meter long, and the width means breadth, that is 160 meter width. Okay, so if we take 2 rounds of a field, in the field ரெண்டு வாட்டி சுற்றி வரணும். ஓகே, இந்த ஃபீல்டை 2 வாட்டி சுற்றி வந்தால் எவ்வளோ கிலோமீட்டர்ஸ் நம்ம சுற்றி வருவோம் அப்படின்றது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த ஃபீல்டோட லென்த்தும் பிரெத்தும் என்னது? 340 மீட்டர் லென்த் அண்ட் 160 மீட்டர் breadth. First we need to calculate for one round. For one round first we have to calculate. After that we are going to multiply that answer by 2. அப்படி பண்ணால் we will get for 2 rounds. Okay, so this is a rectangle, so we will use the perimeter of rectangle. So okay, so நம்ம இந்த பவுண்ட்ரிஸை தான் ரன் பண்ணுறோம், இந்த பவுண்ட்ரிஸை தான் நம்ம சுற்றி வர போகிறோம். ஸோ பெரிமீட்டர், ஸோ பெரிமீட்டர் of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So the value for 2 length is 340 and the value for breadth is 160. Okay, so first 2 into 340. So 340 into 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. For this 680. Okay, then plus 2 into 160. Okay, so 160 into 2, 160 into 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, 3. So it is 320. For this 320. So now we are going to add this value and this value. So 680 plus 320. So 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 carry. Okay, 6 plus 3 plus 1, 10. Okay, so the answer is 1000. 1000. So the value is in meters, so we are writing meter. Okay, but we want the answer in kilometer, but we got the answer in meter. Okay, now we are going to convert this meter to kilometer. So already in our last term we studied the conversions. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. We know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 1000 meter is equal to what? 1 kilometer. So we converted this meter to kilometer. So for one round we are going for 1 kilometer, but the question is for 2 rounds. So what we are going to do to cover 2 rounds? So 1 round 1 kilometer, so 2 into 1, that is 2 ones are 2 kilometer. So இந்த rectangle ground ஒரு வாட்டி சுற்றி வரத்துக்கு 1 கிலோமீட்டர், அதுவே 2 வாட்டி சுற்றி வரணும்னா 2 kilometers. That is the answer. So the answer for this sum is 2 kilometer. So the length and breadth of the rectangular ground is given and they have asked to find out the kilometer if we run for 2 rounds. Okay, so we calculated for one round first, that is for 1 kilometer. So 1 into 2 rounds is 2 kilometers. So இந்த ரவுண்டை 2 வாட்டி சுற்றி வரணும்னா, இந்த கிரவுண்டை 2 வாட்டி சுற்றி வரணும்னா we have to cover 2 kilometers. So this is the answer for this sum. Okay, I think you have understood. Okay, so this conversion is we have already done, that is 1000 meter means 1 kilometer. This we know. Because why? Because we are converting means they have asked the question, the answer should be in kilometers. So we have converted this meter to kilometer. Okay, yes. Next sum, this is also similar sum only. Okay, please listen. Sanju completes 10 rounds. What is that? 10 rounds around a square park. What is that? Square park. So this is a square park. Okay, for a square, all sides are equal. If one side of the park is 110 meters, so any one side 110 meter means all the other side also 110 meters. So because all sides are equal, 4 sides are equal length for a square. Then find the distance covered by Sanju in a day in terms of kilometer and meter. So answer வந்து நம்ம கிலோமீட்டர்லையும் calculate பண்ணணும், மீட்டர்லையும் calculate பண்ணணும். Okay, so this is the square. We are going to find the perimeter of square. First we are going to calculate for one round. One round சுற்றி வரதுக்கு எவ்வளோ கிலோமீட்டர் we are going to calculate. After that we are going to multiply that answer by 10 to calculate for 10 rounds. Okay, so perimeter of square. So what is the formula for perimeter of square? 4 into length of side. Okay, so what is that? 4 into, what is the length of side? 110 meter. Okay, that's 4 into 110. 110 into 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. It is 440 meter. Okay, so this is for one round. For one round is going for 440 meters. So for 10 rounds, so 440 into 10. 440 into 10. So if you multiply by 10, 440 we are going to add this one more 0 we are going to. So this is in meter. Okay, so the answer should be in kilometer as well as in meter. So மீட்டரில் நமக்கு ஆன்சர் கிடச்சாச்சு. இப்போ வந்து இதை நம்ம கிலோமீட்டருக்கு we are going to convert. So how we will convert? To convert meter to kilometer. Okay, so you know 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, here it is 4400 meter is equal to 4400 divided by 1000. Okay, so if we divide 4400 by 1000, so 1000 fours are 4000. The remainder is 400. So the answer is 4 kilometer 400 meter. So this is the answer. So we have converted the meter to kilometer. Now we got the answer in both. If it is in meter, it is 4400 meter. If it is in kilometer, means 4 kilometer 400 meter. Okay, first we calculated the perimeter of square, that is calculated the perimeter for one round. Okay, for one round we got 440, and for 10 round it is 440 into 10, that is 4400 meter. So now we are going to convert meter to kilometer. We know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So we are going to convert lower unit to upper unit. Meter is small, kilometer is large. So meter to kilometers we will divide by 1000. We are going to divide by 1000. So 4400 divided by 1000, we will get 4 kilometer 400 meter. Okay, so everything is easy. If you focus on the question, it will be easy for you. Okay, first try to understand the question and then do the sum. Okay, now we shall move on to the next sum. Okay, so whenever in the question if we get square meter means we are going to calculate the area. Okay, we are going to calculate the area. If the cost of 1 square meter of a plot is rupees 800. ஒரு பிளாட்னா ஒரு இடம், ஒரு நிலம். அந்த நிலத்தில் ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் மீட்டரோட விலை வந்து 800 rupees. What is that? Rupees 800. Then find the total cost of the plot, that is 15 meter long and 10 meter breadth. So ரெண்டு வேல்யூ length breadth கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So it is a rectangle. So this is a rectangle and the length is 15 meter and the breadth is 10 meter. Okay, now they have told 1 square meter ஓட வேல்யூ வந்து rupees 800. ஸோ மொத்தமாக எவ்வளோன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ in that 1 square meter value is rupees 800. We want to calculate the total area of this rectangular plot. Okay, so first we are going to calculate the area of rectangle. So what is area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. What is that? Length into breadth. So what is the length? It is 15 meter, and what is the breadth? It is 10 meter. So what is 15 into 10? It is 150. So answer should be in, for area, the answer should be in square meter. Okay, so this is the total area. In the முழு rectangle oda full area, what is that? It is 150 square meter. Now we are going to calculate the cost. So 1 square meter cost rupees 800. 1 square meter cost is rupees 800. So total how much cost, how much square meter? 150 square meter is there. So 150 square meter cost is 150 into 800. 150 into 800. So you understand, in the rectangle oda full area is 150 square meter. இதில் ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் மீட்டரோட காஸ்ட் வந்து 800 rupees. அப்போ மொத்த 150 ஸ்கொயர் மீட்டரோட எவ்வளோ காஸ்ட் என்னென்னா 150 into 800. 150 into 800. So if you multiply 150 into 800, what we will get? We will get totally how many zeros are there? 3 zeros we are writing, and if you multiply we will get 1,20,000. We will get 1,20,000. So the cost is 150 into 800. So we'll multiply and tell 150 into 800. Okay, so first for 0 you will multiply 0, 0, 0. Another 0, 0, 0. Then 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40, 0, 4 carry, 8 ones are 8, plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you add all this, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 1. So if you put the periods, 3, then 2, then 1. So in the total rectangular plot வாங்கணும்னா நம்ம எவ்வளோ கொடுக்கணும்? 1,20,000 we have to pay. Okay, this is the answer for this sum. Okay, so the rectangular plot ஓட லென்த்தும் பிரெத்தும் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. அதோட ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் மீட்டரோட விலை 800 rupees. நம்ம வந்து எத்தனை மொத்தமாக எவ்வளோ விலைன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்போ முதல்ல நம்ம ஏரியா ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் we are going to calculate the cost. Okay, yes, the next sum. What will be the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall which is 14 meter long and 10 meter breadth if the cost of laying is rupees 60 per square meter? So rectangular assembly hall. Okay, so that length is 14 meter and the breadth is 10 meter. Okay, இந்த அசம்பிளி ஹாலை கட்டுறதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் மீட்டருக்கு கட்டுறதுக்கு 60 rupees. ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் மீட்டருக்கு 60 rupees. ஸோ டோட்டலாக எவ்வளோ? For that also what we have to do? First we have to calculate the full area. What is the area for this full rectangle? First we have to calculate that. Then we are going to calculate the cost. Okay, so area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so 14 into 10. So what is 14 into 10? It is 140 square meter. Okay, then for 1 square meter cost is rupees 60. 1 square meter cost வந்து rupees 60. The total how much square meter we have? We have 140 square meter cost. you are going to calculate. So 140 into 60. What is that? 140 into 60. So we'll multiply 140 into 60. Okay. 0 zeros are 0, 0 fours are 0, 0 ones are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24, 4, 2 carry, 6 ones are 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 0, 0, 4, 8. So we'll put the periods after 3 digit 1 comma. So the cost is rupees 8,400. So 1 square meter cost is 60 rupees. 140 square meter is cost is 8,400. So total in the rectangular assembly hall நம்ம construct பண்றதுக்கு we need 8,400 rupees. Okay, understood? I think you have understood everything. If you know the formula, you can come do it very easily. Okay, children. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can ask me in the Zoom class. Okay, children. Take care. Thank you. Bye.